Welcome to the Shop channel. Thank you so much for supporting the channel. We have now surpassed 10,000 subscribers. Everyone who have helped us to reach 10,000 subscribers, we thank you so much. For those who haven't subscribed, please click the subscribe button and help us reach 20,000 subscribers. Hey, tada! This is the Shop channel. We are here at Lucas Morepe Stadium, Mamelodi Sundowns 2, Amazulu FC 0. Brother, how's it?
Hey, was no sharp, man.
Sharp, man. Your take on the game tonight?
No, the game was well. The game was good. All the teams were playing well. Sundowns was playing, Amazulu was playing. It's just the Amazulu missed a lot of chances. So it was supposed to be, I think, 1-1. Or 2-2, if I'm not mistaken. So, like I said before, Sundowns is a good team. Jealous aside, is playing well, understand? So, I think now it's time for us, all the soccer supporters, even though all the 15 teams, to give Sundowns their flowers, to give the Motsepe family their flowers, the Sundowns players, their technical team. Sundowns is a good team. They are performing well under pressure, under no pressure. So that thing of jealous, that song that we are saying, the 15 teams, I think now it's losing momentum. Because even though you can check the other side, the Orlando Pirates side, I think they lost a momentum. They are not performing. They failed to beat nine players. So you can see normally, if let's say you're a PSL team, you must make sure, like when there's opening a transfer window, beef up your team. You can't depend on the 11 players the way Pirates is doing. So that is why it's lost momentum. You understand? Because some of the days I can say, sometimes I say, if you can check the squad of Pirates and compare it to Kaizer Chiefs, I think Kaizer Chiefs got a good team than Pirates. Because Pirates always same players.
They don't rotate players.
No, there's only like the Tito, the Mfuteni. Always, since the league started, they played MTN, they played NetBank, they played KF. They are tired, those people, understand?
Even PSL,
So I think now it's a high time, man, we give Sundowns their flowers. They are playing, man. You understand? Because we come to the stadium to watch them, to watch their good. So that is why one of the good guys said we must, all the 15 teams combined, we must come here and learn from Sundowns. They are playing good football, understand? Jealous aside, politics aside, understand? Even on Sunday, I think they are going to win.
Against Pirates? By
5, I think. Because they are going to play same people, the people who are tired, understand? So I think management of Kaizer Chiefs, Orlando Pirates, and the other 15 teams, let's make sure you pull up the socks, or else this league is going to be useless because it's always Sundowns winning the league.
Farmers
League. Because us, we love to come to the stadium, but if the team is not performing, then we lose that confidence. But I heard this other guy, PhD, say no, the league is not over. It's not over until the fat lady says so. So I don't know.
Where is that fat lady?
We'll find him there at the FNB. I don't know. So it's what he said. I said, no, the league is not over until the fat lady said so. But
it's confident.
No, it's confident. But on the other side, I think maybe it's misleading the Bangladesh supporters. Because if you are a football supporter, and you can see the league is gone, there's no way Pirates can catch Sundowns. It's impossible that one, understand? So that is why I said, let's give Sundowns their flowers. They are playing well. They have a good technical team, good players who are performing game in and game out. Even that thing of, I don't know, like I think there's a sabotage. I think someone is saboting Sundowns.
Is it?
Sundowns players, they are not resting, man. Let's be honest, man.
Don't you think it's a good thing so that they can, keep the momentum, keep on the machine, the machine must keep rolling?
No, all the 16 players on the PSL, they must play according to, understand? Not like one team play more than 10 games in 2 weeks. It's impossible, that one. I know I said on Saturday that Sundowns, they rested on Sunday. Well, I was talking to them because all the people they say, no, we can't say that. But I know on that game of Saturday, it was just a system to rest players. I saw that one, but even people who are not happy about that comment. But it's what they did, to understand. Because you can check today, they were fresh today, they were playing today, understand. So today, I'm happy today. Even though sometimes I criticize Sundowns, But I think it's time to give them their flowers. They're playing.
Come closer.
We are learning a lot from them.
I'm worried. It seems like next season you'll be supporting Sundowns.
No, I can't do that.
Yeah,
You know,
yeah.
sometimes there's a gene of Kaizer Chiefs. Understand? If
Yeah,
you are a loyal supporter of Kaizer Chiefs,
Yeah, yeah.
there's gene in your blood.
Exactly,
You will
yeah.
never change your loyalty to other team.
Beautiful. No,
Understand?
Yeah.
No,
beautiful.
thank you.
Hey, Tada. Thanks,
Sure.
man. Good luck. Hey, Tada. Sure.